So today we are going to learn about standard functions, guys. We have some standard functions, right? So
Okay.
I will show you people some examples. See, guys, these standard functions are very easy. That too by by the name itself we can find the usage of the use node functions. Okay, not node functions, standard functions. We have so many types of node no, standard functions. So we will see the one by one. Okay, and a few I will cover, remaining easy. So frequently used this functions I will cover. Okay,
Okay.
and it is underscore standard functions create. Okay, I'm taking not this from I have prepared one separate mapping for testing validation error by employee data. Sorry, first we have to select this. I am taking both the side same. Okay, first what I will do, I will do the mass mapping. Okay, guys, here based on one by one we will execute based on the requirement. Okay,
So mass mapping, you have to select both source and
the
target.
yeah, just we have to click on it.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
the same name, whatever the same name fields are available in the target side, it will automatically map.
Okay.
Same identical mapping, we can say this is okay. So here, guys, I have a requirement now. Suppose let's say this is employee id. Okay, employee id is not available here. Okay, let's say this employee id is mandatory. Okay, if this employee id is not available, then we should not send this record to the target. That is the requirement from the client. Okay,
Okay.
if the any mandatory field missing, then you should not send that record to the target. Our client will say. Okay, then how can we achieve this? Okay, see, employee id missing, right? So now what I will do here, while creating the employee record, I will keep some condition, guys. What condition I will keep, I will let you know. In node functions we have exist, right?
Yeah.
Exist. Okay, if exist, then creative. Okay,
Mhm.
sorry, what exist will do, if the value is exist or that xml tag is exist, then it will returns the true value. If the xml values doesn't exist, it will return false value.
But this one, you are putting the employee node logic. Yeah.
Yeah,
This is the root one you are putting this logic, employee one.
no, employee id we have to take.
Yeah.
So employee id is the mandatory. Why? Because without
Mm.
employee id they can't find, found, right, they can't find that particular employee, right?
Okay. So source is employee ID and target is employee tag.
Employee tag. So based on the employee ID availability, we are generating this tag. That is the
Okay.
requirement. The
Yeah.
requirement is like, if the this employee ID
Yeah.
exists, then only send this record. Else you
Yeah.
should not send that record.
Okay.
Why? Because this is mandatory field for their end. If it is missing, then this data will fail their end. Entire data will fail.
Okay.
So that's why this is just one requirement. So if exist, then creative. Okay, create this. So I will take one example here. Okay, simulate, test it. I started recording also. Anyway, luckily it is executing very fast. See how many records created? Only one record created. Why only one record created?
So
We are doing
employee.
field level, right? Field
Yeah.
level, this is field level, this is node level. So
Mhm.
to visible node level, see if you see here, display queue. So here false came. Okay, it is suppress. Suppress nothing but it is going to not generate the record. Okay, it is not
Mhm.
going to generate this node. Then second record will be suppressed and remaining will be displayed. But all are in what stage? These are in context level, right? In context
Mhm.
changes are there. We have to remove this context. Okay, so in between here I will put remove context. Okay, I remove. Now we will see the end-to-end execution. We come to know. The second record should not be generated, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. See guys, the second record is not visible. Second record not generated. This Kiri record.
Mhm.
Okay, directly it went to Kiran record. Okay, so like this we will handle. Let's say I will give another scenario here. Okay, control Z. Okay, here the record is available if only value is not available. If enter tag is not available also, it should not generate. If that value is not available also, it should not generate. Got it?
Mhm.
So in this case, will it works? Will it work?
No, this will not work. The tag is there, employee. We have to check the
Yeah, see
value.
exist function, it will take only tag if the tag is exist or not. Got
Yeah.
it? I wanted to show you people that tag, that
Yeah.
exist function functionality. If the tag is available, it will return true. Okay, if tag itself not available, it will return false.
Yeah.
Okay, the tag is available, right? So that's why the record will be generated. So guys, you people test it once. Okay, it is taking a lot of time necessarily. Okay, it will
Mhm.
generate. Okay, with without with empty this employee id, it will generate. And next we will go in this case, how can we handle this case, we will see. Okay, now what I will do, I will remove all these things. Okay, and the tag, right, go to not node function, go to text functions. Okay, here we will have length function. Okay,
Mhm.
length in the sense it will calculate the number of characters available in the source field.
Okay.
Okay, in this case how many values are there?
1, 2, 3.
In this
Oh,
case how many values are there? Zero values.
yeah, 0.
Zero values are there, right? So
Mhm.
what I will do, I will put some condition here. If it is
Oh,
greater than 0, the length of this field is greater than 0, then only generate the
okay.
target.
Target.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, greater than 0 we have to check. Length is greater than 0, go to arithmetic operation, we will have greater than and less than and all. Take greater greater than. Okay, greater
Mhm.
than 0, 0 in the sense, go here and take 0. Okay, if it is greater than 0, then generate. So
Okay.
go to boolean here, if without else, we have else condition not required. Okay, if the this success, then we have to generate this node. Okay,
True. Okay.
if it is condition is success, then we have to generate node, else not required, right?
Mhm.
So what I will do, if it is generated, then I will pass constant as true. Okay, and here you can put directly creative. Okay guys, and also after here, before this here, we have to remove the context, right? Now we will execute same data and test. We should see the result. See, still employee ID is came. So this is not working. If greater than or equal to length is greater than 0, then creative. No. Remove this. Okay. True or false direct it will send, right? Why should we? Got it? It will send true or false, right? If greater than 0, then it will send the true. Less than 0, it will send the false. Okay. Now we will check. It is not came, right? It is
Yeah.
not generated. Correct?
Yeah.
This record is not generated. One more thing. Okay, this is logic, right? And I'll remove this. I kept empty record. This case, will it work?
Employee tag is not there, no, it will not work.
It should work all the cases, right? If tag is not there, if the empty tag is both the cases, it should work.
Okay, this logic.
Here it is not working again. See, without employee ID, it is came.
Yeah.
So that's why if the tag is not available, what should we do? We have to create the tag, empty tag,
Okay.
using node functions, map with default. Okay? You are understanding the functions, right?
Yeah.
So this is not very complex one, guys. No problem. It is very easy. Okay? Now simulate. It work. See here, now it is working. With tag, without tag also it will work. Here greater than 0 we kept, right? We can keep like, equals also. Like take here, take string. Okay, instead of greater than, we can keep like if equals not equal 0. This is equals in the sense it will return the true, right?
Yeah.
It will return the true if equals. Then what I will do in Boolean functions, I will take not. Not in the sense if it is true, it will it will give output as false. If it is false, it will give output as true. It means the combination of these two are not equal.
Okay,
0.
true. The condition is false, so that it will not generate.
Yes. If it is not equal to 0,
Mhm.
if not equal 0, then it will generate.
Yeah.
Just I wanted to show you multiple options here.
Okay.
All the functions. At least I wanted to cover maximum. Okay. See here, it is not generated. Right? Same result.
Mm.
Got it right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is fine. I have used so many much functions here to show you. And one more thing I wanted to show you, like map by default. Okay. And let's say suppose this is date of birth, right? Suppose let's say date of birth is contains, you know, t something, t time, uh, 0 6 hyphen 56 hyphen 00. T also came like this. Okay. Let's say this
Mhm.
is not date of birth. In real time, you can say order creation date and time, order update date and time. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
For example, I am keeping like this in real time, order date and time. So I am keeping this for only for few fields only. Okay, few records only I kept, remaining records anyway you can understand. Okay, in this case my client will say I don't want entire time also, just send me the only date format. Can you skip this time format? Time format is not configured their end. They have configured only order creation date only, not time.
Okay.
But they required for target set only data, not required time. So what they will ask, like, trim this time part and send only this date part. Then in that case, how can we do that? Go here, date of birth, right? Let's say
Mhm.
this is some order creation something. Okay. uh, Go to again text functions. Here substring, we have substring. Substring in the sense, see the string in the sense, guys, the character will start with character, it will substring will take the character in array format. Array start with 0, position
Okay.
0, right?
Mhm.
0. So for from 0 here start position 0, how many characters we have to take? 11
10.
characters, sorry, 10
Okay.
characters. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay,
Yeah.
10 characters we have to take. So what I will do, will take here and browse here. Okay, now check here. See, only date came,
Yeah.
right? In real time, guys, some cases we will have, like, from target side they will have creation date and creation time, but from source side we will receive one parameter along with the date and time.
Yeah.
But target side we have to store in one field creation date and another field creation time. In that case, what should we take? We take the time from here, right?
Okay. So there we have to push position instead of 0, we'll put 11.
Let me, yes, yes. Here is the date. Year 1 to 3, right?
So whenever we do trimming, then we will use substring function
Yes,
and put
yes. Substring function we have to use.
the start and person whichever you want to.
Yes, yes, yes. Substring useful like this. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to trim this one, okay, again browse this. So the starting position, we have to select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay,
Mm.
from 0, right? Here 10, No, 9,
11.
10, 11. From 11 position we have to take. Okay, how many characters you have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters. Okay, here 8 characters. Now do the display queue.
So, Hari, in another scenario, if I don't want to put the end character length, I can mention whatever the end character it will display. So, what I should put in the
What
instead of 8.
what
Suppose I'll read the position from 11.
uh,
From 11 to I'll not put the what is the end length. So I'll tell okay 11 to whatever the end populate in the target.
you want to keep whatever 11 is same position.
No, no, if you go that mapping.
uh,
So here you put the character count 8, right? 11, it will read from 11 person, then next 8 character. Okay.
uh.
I don't want to put the 8 character. I'll mention whatever there, just take and display, put in the target.
Then in that case you have to write groovy script.
Oh, okay, okay,
Custom function we have to write. Here we have option to write custom function.
okay,
Okay, I will show you that how to create that
okay.
custom function also. Okay,
But
that's
here
what.
in
If
this
the
scenario only we have to
existing,
spend
see,
the start and end position.
as per the requirement, existing functions are not supported, then we have to write custom.
Yeah, so in this particular only you can put the
Yes,
start and end person,
yes,
not the end person, whatever it will be. That for that we have to write a custom function.
yes. We have to cover. We can manage all, but if some cases we have to write groovy.
Okay,
Okay, and that one. This is one. Suppose 10 position we are taking. Okay, anyway, first one I will take 0 to 10. Okay, okay. Suppose let's say, okay, 0 to 10 we are taking. Let's say one of them, this is not available. This case, okay, substring will work.
stop, not tag.
Let me. Will it fail or it will send the empty?
It will fail here.
Yeah, our guess is it will fail. Anyway, so it failed because of index out of range exception. Why? Because the NF values are not available to substring. So this case will client say if the position is less than this character, then send as it is. Okay, if the more than that, send the trim it and send that. Then in that case we have to again check the length of the earlier we checked, right, length of the source field value. Okay, if length is greater than 9, right,
Hmm.
or let me check arithmetic, greater than 9, constant 9. Here we have to take if then else boolean function. Here if then else. Okay, if character is greater than this, okay, send this value and substring it. So not here, sorry, greater than 10, then substring. Okay, else direct value. Got it? Understood, Nihar?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, if the length is greater than 9, then we are substring, else we are sending as it is.
Okay.
Okay, display queue. It failed again till
String range.
out of greater than 9 in the sense
If it is less than 9, then you have to send the same value or else.
Less than 9 in the sense it will go to here down, right? And then not less than, I guess, greater than 10, right? Greater than 10 in the sense 10 characters. If that it contains 10 characters, it will go here, right? Now let me check this. Show details where it failed. Date of birth, date of birth, date of birth, date of birth. Yes, this is correct. What we are given. Let's say less than 10. Let's say less than 10. Then we'll see. Display greater than 10. Sorry. Yes, here how we are received length only, right?
Implied a length string.
This is correct only. Okay, greater than substring 0 to 10. Yeah, let me do it. Yeah, it came. See, right?
Mhm.
My head is that was not working. I don't know. See, only here we are sending this many characters, but we have received this. Okay, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's even 9 also it should work. Greater than 9 in the sense 10 also, right? 10 we can uh, trim till 10 characters. See, okay. Also, one more thing I wanted to check. So we are receiving date this format, right? But our client will say date should be in the other format. This is like DDMMYY. But receiver system should understand the format like DDMM underscore.
So your voice breaking, Hari.
Huh?
Your
Hello.
voice is breaking. Yeah, your voice breaking.
Now fine.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. So here YYYMMDD, right? YYYMMDD. So my client will say
Yeah.
you should send the data in this format. So we are receiving data DDMMYY format, right? We have to send the data in YYMMDD format. Then what should we do? So we have date functions here. Okay, date transformations.
Okay, here you have to.
Here we have this very simple. We are receiving DDMMYY format, right?
Mhm.
So DDMMYY format. Okay. See, always MM is always a capital letter base. Remaining are
Oh,
small letter. This is
well,
very
okay.
sensitive. You should follow.
Okay.
Else it will not work. Okay. Simulate it. Test it. See,
Okay.
change. This has been changed. Okay. Like this, we will use it. And one more thing is statistics functions. We have statistics function. I will take another example and tell you. Suppose let's say this is my previous right previous one. Here my client will say generate header one time. Okay. generate header one time, but salary should be item also should generate only one time. Salary should be you know this sum of entire salary, sum of
Month.
entire salary one we have to generate.
Okay.
Okay, that is, so item also we have to generate only once, right? So I will take here same you know this one format, okay,
Hmm.
to generate one time. Item will generate only one time, okay, and remove this, okay, and now come here, in this case, but month of salary this is not required, okay. I'm going to delete, only I have to send the salary, sum of each employee salary I have to send, okay. In this case
Okay.
what I will do, from here I will take the logic, okay.
Employee.
Okay, copy, and employee salary, employee salary, right? I will remove entire part here, paste here. Instead of employee first name I will take employee salary, okay. This one, right? And come here, because this is collapse context is not required here, okay. Split by value also not required. I am going to sum the each employee data here,
Hmm.
okay. I am going to browse this data. See guys, display queue. See here, 2 1 to 5 1 to 5, what is this? Okay, first name came, right? Here see, salary, this is salary only, right? Display queue, salary only. Here, pattern, okay, this should be the pattern, right? This should be the value, okay.
Hmm.
This should be the pattern. Based on this pattern it will populate. Let's see now. So the key, something I did a mistake, huh? Yes, this is sort by key. So yeah, key value, okay, sort by key, yeah, this is the value only, okay. And this is the pattern, sort and split by each value. Why value change is not coming? Value change is there, right? Oh, weird behavior. Yeah, let me check here directly. Null. Why null? Chalo, this value was missing, right? We have not handled this. Okay, see guys, this is how splitting. So I want to sum these two values, this value and this value, this value. Okay, I have to
Hmm.
give. So in this case, we have the statistic functions here to sum average, count, index, whatever. I'm taking one of them just to you. It will sum and send the data. Okay. See, only one item generated with sum of the salary. Okay, sum of journey. Got it, guys?
Okay.
This is how the sum and average will work. These are the random, randomly I took some. Guys, also sir, guys, one more thing, date time. If you want to send system date to the any date function, date field, then in go to date functions and
Current date.
yeah, here, sorry, current date we can set. Okay, and also we can compare these comparison dates. We never used till now. The date
And date before and after.
it will return true or false if the date is coming, right, that came we
Okay.
will mention some
Okay.
date. Okay, if the date
Mhm.
is before that input date, it will send the true,
Okay.
it will return the true
Okay.
or false only. After
Okay.
that also it will return true or false. Compare that also, if both are dates are equal, then it will return true, else it will not return, like that. These three
Okay.
we rarely used. Okay.
Okay.
Say, guys, see remaining functions also. This is easy functions. We can by looking into functions itself, we can handle. Also, Google them, guys. PIPO or CPI standard functions. Okay, you can see so many examples of the standard functions. Okay, easy functions. That
Okay.
much training is not required.
Okay.
Okay, and I wanted to show you one more thing here. This one, how to create UDFs here. Okay. So here we will write some functions. Some, suppose you ask me, right, substring. Okay.
Mhm.
Here we will write substring function. Some substring one. Here this is the input. Okay.
Mhm.
Here what I will do, input will say that, suppose say date. Okay. Some date one. Okay. Here uh, int in some I equal date one dot length length. Okay, I'm storing uh, date length here. Okay,
Mhm.
and string, not string, date. Yes, date one equal. Okay, if you want to keep some 8 or 9 after, right, you ask me.
Yeah.
Date one total length is this one, is the I stores the total length of the function. Okay,
Yes.
now what I will do, date one equal uh, substring dot date one. Here from 8, right, not
Mhm.
09, some 10. Okay, 10
Mhm.
comma I. Okay,
Okay.
from 10th position till
Okay.
I in the sense total length.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and return date one here.
Okay. So I means what about the value? So we are not giving the end date end one. Okay.
I means total length of,
Okay.
total length how means, suppose let's say here total length is 20, right, it will show the 20. 10 to 20 it will calculate.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you ask me, right, how to write this.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is how we will write the custom functions.
Okay.
Okay,
And that one will it will automatically take from Groovy and populate here.
here you can see here,
Uh-huh.
here custom functions we have created
Okay.
just now, right. We
Uh-huh.
will add it custom functions. Just I will go here where date of birth field.
Mhm. Mhm.
Here, so this is the custom function. we have
Mhm.
to give the input.
Okay, okay,
Here, this is the output.
okay, okay. The
Like
second
this,
one.
we will write the custom functions as well. Got it right?
Yeah.
It's very simple. Guys, here functions will be two types. Okay. Uh, Function which I written right. This is
Yeah.
only field level. Field level.
Okay.
Okay, and also we have to write node level or entire queue level, array level. We have to take array. Here see guys, this is the field level this is the example they have provided.
Okay.
This
R.
is field level, this is the entire message level or
Okay.
entire this node level.
Okay.
Okay, so which we have written is the field level. The node level is complex one. This is bit complex one.
Mhm.
Sometimes we have to write this node level also. What I will
Mhm.
do, I will write one node function. Sorry, and I will write one this custom function. Okay, and I will
Mhm.
upload in YouTube and I will share with you people. You
Okay.
can come to know how it behaves and how we have to take the input values as array and how to handle the fields values.
Okay.
Okay, I will upload and I will let you know. I will share that link. You can go through that
Okay.
script. You come to know. Okay, this is how we will handle the functions, guys. Mapping level. Okay,
Mhm.
this is roughly and regularly and any daily used functions I have explained. Some more functions are there. Just Google and you can learn from Google also some. Okay, it's not very hard. Standard functions, but the node functions are very very important.
Okay.
Okay, any doubts, guys?
Now we have to practice.
Okay, 1 minute. I wanted to give one more